Today we are making something that I tagged sardine bread cake, and I'm very sure that I haven't shared something like this on this channel. I will advise you watch to the end so that you don't miss any special tip. Hello creative bangers, another one is in labor. Instant yeast in a bowl, sugar and warm milk. You can substitute warm milk with warm water. Now add the oil from the sardine. Now, if you don't want to use sardine, you can use any kind of fish of your choice. Now, when it comes to adding the sardine oil, you can substitute with melted butter or any healthy cooking oil of your choice. Go ahead and add 1/3 cup, all right, in substitute to the sardine oil. Now, I added the sardine fish mixed to combine very well. I move in with cinnamon. All right, I added egg, remember. Okay, now I'm going to sift in the flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it. Very, very important. Once that is done, we are going to start mixing. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, I continue to mix till I make sure that everything is well combined. Trust me. After mixing, this is what the batter looks like. You can see that the batter is not runny. Please, don't make yours to be runny. Okay? Now, it is time to transfer in a well-greased baking pan. Once you transfer into a well-greased baking pan, you are going to spread it around to be in the same shape with your pan. Shout out to you, Abigail, watching from Trinidad and Tobago. Sandra, watching from Nigeria. Sylvia from Zambia. Chinazepere, watching from Abuja. And Shirley Gold, all the way from Lagos, Nigeria. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay? All right. After arranging in your pan, you are going to cover and allow to prove. 40 minutes later, voila, it has doubled in size as you can see. Go ahead and bake at exactly 30 minutes. The yummilicious, bangalicious bread cake is ready. Look at that, creative bangers. Oh, I'm loving the outcome. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. I live for this recipe, trust me. This one, bangalicious, banga promas, premium banga. Call it anything banga that you want, anything banga that you wish. Oh my word, go ahead and portion as it pleases you. The moment I drop this on the table, oh my word, my family members, oh my word. Every member of my family is already with their cup of tea. They can't wait to devour this banger. Trust me, creative bangers. Give this a try and get back to me as usual. And we delivered again without being pregnant as usual. Now, let's take a look at what the texture looks like as you can see on the video. Look at that. So filling. Try it and get back to me. Remember, homemade is better than junk. Thanks for watching. Bye.